Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome all of you in my YouTube channel रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे YouTube चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। In this video, I am going to explain the problem based on Laplace transform. In my previous video, that Laplace transform part 1, I have given the introduction of Laplace transform. The link of that video is given in the description. Now we'll see some problems based on Laplace transform. So if Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s bar, so this is notation, Laplace of f t equal to fs bar, then Laplace of, if you multiply by any power of t power n f t equal to minus 1 power n dn by ds power n and fs bar. So this fs bar is Laplace transform of f t. So this is the formula we can use when you want to find the Laplace transform of any function when multiplied by any power of t. Let me take one problem. Let Laplace of t square sin at. So here f of t equal to sin at and fs bar equal to Laplace of sin at equal to a upon s square plus a square, then Laplace of t square sin at equal to, so n equal to 2 here, so minus 1 power 2 d2 by ds square and fs, so fs equal to a upon s square plus a square. So now we have to differentiate two times, so we get d by ds of, if you differentiate, so we get minus 2 as by s square plus a square whole square. So this is the first differentiation. Now if you differentiate once again, so we get the answer 2a 3s square minus a square by s square plus a square whole cube. So this is your Laplace transform of t square sin at using the formula Laplace of t power n f t. Let me take the second problem, Laplace of e power minus t sin 3t. So here we'll use the two property. One is the one we have Laplace of e power at f of t, this will be f bar s minus a. Okay, so what we do, so we'll try to solve. First we'll find out Laplace of t sin 3t, then so this will be n equal to 1 here, so minus d by ds of fs is the Laplace transform of f t, so that is 3 upon s square plus a square. So this is your Laplace of t sin 3t. Now if you differentiate once again, so we get the 6s by s square plus 9 whole square. This is the t sin 3t using that formula Laplace of t power n f t. Now Laplace of e power minus t sin 3t. So the t sin 3t is the f t here, so fs, yes, replaced by using this formula, s replaced by s minus a, so a equal to here we have a equal to -1, so f of s minus a means f of s minus a minus 1, f plus 1, so here s replaced by s plus 1, so this will be 6 s plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 9 square. So we have used that formula. So in this problem we have used that two formula. Now we have next formula, Laplace of f of t by t. If you divide by any t, so s to infinity f of s ds. So this is the formula. So division by t. If you divide by t at any function, so the Laplace will be, you have to integrate that fs bar from s to infinity. Let us take one problem. So Laplace of cos at minus cos bt by t. So the Laplace satisfy the linear property. So we can have two term, Laplace of cos at by t minus Laplace of cos bt by t. Now, so this will be s to infinity and fs. Fs is the Laplace transform of cos at, so that will be s upon s square plus a square ds minus here also s to infinity s upon s square plus b square ds. So s to infinity, then we can integrate. So what we get? We get the 1 by 2 log s square plus a square minus 1 by 2 log s square plus b square from s to infinity. So if you take 1 by 2 common, so we get log of s square plus a square by s square plus b square limit s to infinity. Now if you put that limit, so I want to put limit infinity, so directly you put infinity means it will come log infinity undefined. So we will take the limiting case, we will take s square common, so we get log 1 plus a square by s square by 1 plus b square s to infinity. So this will be 1 by 2 and log 1 minus log s square plus a square by s square plus b square. So this will be minus we can take here, so we'll get plus 1 by 2 and log s square plus b square by s square plus a square. So this is the answer of the given problem, 1 by 2 log s square plus b square by s square plus a square. Sometime we need to find the integral. Sometime we need to use the Laplace transform or find some integral. Like one problem I am giving here, 0 to infinity t e power minus 3t and sin t dt. So if you see, so this is nothing but form of 0 to infinity e power minus st t sin t dt. This t sin t. So this is your Laplace. So s equal to 3. If you get the value of this integral, put s equal to 3, will get the answer. So this is nothing but your Laplace of t sin t. Fine. This is Laplace of t sin t. So Laplace of t sin t. So this will be minus d by ds of 1 upon s square plus 1. Here n equal to 1. So we can differentiate. So we get the 2s by s square plus 1 whole square. So now if you put s equal to 3 here, s equal to 3 both side, so left hand side will be 0 to infinity e power minus 3t and t sin t dt, and right hand side s equal to 3 we are putting, so 2 into 3 by 3 square plus 1 whole square, so this is the 3 by 50. So using the Laplace transform we can find the value of integral if it is the form of, if you are able to use the Laplace transform. Okay, so if you like my video, don't forget to like, share, and if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel so you can get update about all my upcoming videos on engineering mathematics. This Rudra Study Circle YouTube channel is devoted for engineering mathematics. I am providing you all the videos related to all the courses in engineering mathematics. Thank you.